Okay, Kilroy. What do you got for me?
It's a map to a pyramid. There's a diamond in there for you.
Kilroy, I'm gonna use your phone real quick. Harry, it's Thunder. Get over here with Toothpick. We are going after the diamond.
Alright, Johnny, will do. You're with us now, right?
Alright, he's got Skittles.
You hear that, Igor? Thunder's going after a diamond. Well, I, Samuel J. Sinister, will take that diamond for myself.
I'm just gonna call you Sammy.
Let's go, Igor. Igor! Hurry up!
I'm ready, Freddy. I mean, Sammy.
According to this map, the river should be over, that-a-way.
Of course! Why didn't I think of following the river? Let's go, Igor! Igor?
I'm picking bananas.
How are we gonna get across?
I might have the perfect idea. Toothpick, chop down that tree over there.
What do you think they're doing now, Igor?
What do you mean, think?
Oh, boy.
Hope you're comfortable there, Toothpick.
Yep.
Raise the flag.
There they are, Igor. Here, take a look.
They're kinda far away.
You're holding the binoculars backwards, you idiot!
Oh, I knew that. Nice architecture.
What are we gonna do with Toothpick?
Just leave him. We'll get him later. Hey, there's the temple. Harry, stay out here and keep watch.
Can do.
There's the mummy. But where on earth is the diamond? I know that laugh anywhere. It's the laugh of Sinister!
Looking for this?
Hand it over, Sinister!
Put the gun away, Thunder. You don't scare me.
I've been waiting such a long time to do that.
Thanks, Igor. Let's get out of here.
Okay, Johnny, but there's one thing I want to do real quick.
And that is how we got the diamond. By the way, Igor, what did you do with Sinister anyway?
Well...
Igor!
Better back.
Where am I?
When you see him, better back away.